Stellar is an employee-owned company, and that contributes directly to Stellar's reputation for high quality.
Being an employee owner, it definitely makes you have a little bit more pride in your work, making sure that everything goes out. It's your name on it, it's Stellar's name. We sit there and make sure that everything is going to be exactly the way that I would want to have it if I was the one buying it.
It gives us that extra little bit of drive to do better and have better quality and put out better products.
It really creates a culture of ownership within the company where people have a vested interest to do the right thing and not cut corners.
Stellar does have a high reputation for putting out quality product, which as an employee owner, everyone wants that quality to stay there. So everyone works together to keep the quality high and give our best to our customers.
When you're an employee owner, you're going to do a better job of making sure that that equipment that you're making has the best quality built into it because you know it's your company.
From engineering and material selection to precision assembly and product support, count on Stellar's employee owners to deliver top quality products and service. To find quality solutions that drive higher productivity, contact your Stellar distributor or visit stellarindustries.com.